Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my Sublime Text setup for competitive programming, especially for Codeforces. Now the first thing that you would ask me is that when there are so many videos already available on YouTube, then why one more video? To answer this question, the first thing that I want to clear is that this setup, or you may call this script, automates some part of the process and makes things easy for you. So first, let's see the working of the script, then I will explain how it works. For that, you need to open your problem page on Codeforces in Google Chrome. After that, you need to open the folder where you usually solve the problems. Here I've written a Python script file named as main.py. Now you just need to do one thing, open command prompt and run that Python file, python main.py. What this script will do is that it will grab the test cases from this problem page, create a file containing those test cases, and open Sublime Text for you. So let's run the script. As you can see, our problem was C, George and Job. So as you can see, a c.cpp file has been created and opened in Sublime Text, as well as a folder containing c.cpp __ test is also created. Now you need to write your code here and build it using CPP fast Olympic coding. For example, let me show you another problem. So let's take a problem 402A nuts, and let's copy its solution, the correct solution. Now this problem is open on Codeforces. You just need to run python main.py and it will create the file for you. Now let me paste the solution and run it. As you can see, all the test cases have passed. Now I will show you how to make this script or how to make this whole setup work. For that, you need to first have Sublime Text 3 already installed, and you also need to have CPP fast Olympic coding installed in your Sublime Text. Let me show you. Package open resource CPP. See, I already have CPP fast Olympic coding installed here. After that, you need to go to browse packages and user. Now you need to make a new file called fast Olympic coding .sublime settings. You need to create this file, and this file will contain this single line: test file suffix colon __ tests, and just save the file. Okay, and after that you need to place this main.py file. Link of this file I will leave in the description box. You need to place this main.py file in that folder where you usually solve the problems. Now that's it. You just need to open command prompt here, run python main.py, and make sure that your problem is open in Google Chrome. Okay, you just need to run python main.py, and as you can see, let me show you a.cpp test. See, the same test cases have been copied here in this file. So that's it. This makes a lot of work easy for you.